Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Argentina. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply tourist visa or any kind of visa for a country, it's very important that we see that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas we may or may not need a visa. Okay. And whenever you check these requirements, it is strongly recommended that you check it on the official official entity that governs your area. For example, if you are in India, then for that, for example, I have opened Embassy in India, Argentina website. Here, if you go for consular services, they have information now application process for visas, now general information, and then you can select the type of visa that you want to apply. For example, you apply for tourist visa, so we'll check that. But first, let's see general. You need to make an appointment. Okay, we'll go through this link case by case, type of visa they have given. Okay, submission, you can apply over there, you can book appointment and go and apply over there. Okay, they have given the time. Okay. Now, what are the things, documents related? They have given some document information that all such documents for documents are related to your current occupation must be notarized. Okay. Visa application form must be filled and signed. Okay. It should be printed on 3 separate pages and not back to back. This is very important. You don't want to get refused for this minor mistake. Incomplete documentation will not be accepted. For each applicant, you need different application. Okay. Okay. And yeah. They have said you are strongly advised to make any reservation of ticket, flight, and hotel reservation until you receive your passport with a stamped visa. If the visa is denied, refund is not applicable. Okay, fine. Visa fee is definitely mandatory, of course. Okay. They will call you for interview too. Fee. Okay. Indian rupees. We'll check for that also. But let's go through the form first. Then we'll see the appointment and then we'll see the tourist visa application. So surname, given name, other name, parents details, home address. This is for Lebanese people, so don't worry about it if it is not available. Email address, phone number, mobile phone number, type passport, occupation, place of stay, where you're gonna stay, reference, date of arrival, departure, family details, previous information about Argentina visa application. These questions related to security, you should be very careful in answering. Okay, date, sign. This for consular photograph. They have given the specification to make sure you follow it. Okay, now we are through this. Let's go through this link about appointment. It's a Google form, as you can see. Okay. So let me sign in and then I'll show you. So now the email account that you use that appears on top. So I have hidden that section. If you check that box, this field will be disabled. Name, passport, nationality, why you what type of consular service. So you can select tourist visa depending upon your date, preferred date, time, date of travel. Now timing, it was already submitted over there, right? Timing of consulate. So once you submit that, then they're going to contact you based on this. All right. Now let's go back. Okay. Now we will go back to the previous screen where read specifically about tourist visa. Case by case basis. Okay. Maximum 90 days. Fee for Indian national, it's gonna be free. Wow. That's what I was saying in advance. Other national, those who live in India, 150 USD. Documentation, original passport, perfect. 3-page visa form we read. Photograph, 3 recent passports are color photograph. Cover letter, Okay, they have provided the information that you need to include. Letter from your employer that you are employed, employment letter. Okay, if you like, if you're going for short time, it's always good to have like leave letter also. That will also be very helpful. And see, income tax return, ITR. Okay, travel itinerary, tickets and all. Round trip flight tickets, only reservation. Hotel reservation. Okay. And if you're gonna stay with somewhere else, they have like provide the letter with their ID card. Like if you have a relative or friend who's there, where you're gonna stay. 3 months salary slip, tax return, personal bank statements, passport and valid visas. Okay, each of them. Perfect. And now you know that how to book an appointment and then fee, you know. So that's all good. And you can then go there when your number comes. And if everything goes smoothly, you're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.